If a restaurant wants to introduce plant-based dishes without alienating their existing customers, what strategic positioning works best? Menu placement, naming, pricing, or storytelling, or anything else?
It would really depend upon the exact context. If it's a place like a contemporary bar and a cafe setting in Goa, then of course menu itself without any pricing bar menu will do the job. The audience would be happy to know our products have started reaching tier 3 cities as well in India by now. So there of course the health messaging and pricing is doing its bit. No amount of storytelling would yet be able to convince Bharat about the relevance of plant-based foods. Essentially when we talk about plant-based, mota refers to no animal products in here because they are conditioned to the continued usage of dairy products. And being an empath, having the ability to look at the situation from their point of view, it really helps to resolve the negotiations round, if I can say so very bluntly. These are all very situation specific. In fact, many a times what happens is it's been a personal experience. Whichever product which we've been thinking that this will be the easiest to crack and the other one would be more difficult, the reverse has happened because actually they have loved the story of the other product which was actually more difficult to crack, and we were not expecting it to be picked up by the hospitality vendor. On the whole, the brand's story has to be out there. An authentic story needs its own organic content and an organic feel to it, which no one can take away from you. So yes, keep it original and your product will find its way through.